everyone, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is my creative scrapbook day. I already threw away the box, but let's see what's in the bag. So my creative scrapbook is a monthly art subscription kit club that's actually geared towards scrapbooks. So they send you a whole bunch of supplies for your scrapbook as well as a layout idea. I love this kit. This is the limited edition kit, and I don't create scrapbooks with it. I create a art journal. I don't know why I can't talk today. I create an art journal that I will find here in a minute to show you, with basically a mixed media pages. So let's see what's inside. So in here we have beautiful flowers. Looks like we're going with the pink and blue theme this month. Most of the flowers, or all the flowers, always look wonderful together. Oh, I love these. There you go. Oh, we have some wood laser cut items. This says creative embellishments. That was misleading. Sorry about that. Okay. These are laser cut either wood or chipboard. And they do include these every once in a while. This one looks like it's chipboard. Oh, look at that. Look how intricate that is. I love that. It smells so good from the laser cutter. Some ephemera. I love how all their stuff coordinates. Makes it so easy to do a layout, or two or three. Oh, that's a birdie. And then there's the gold foil embellishment on these, which is really cool. Looks like it's got kind of a travel theme, which I can't travel right now, which is very sad, but had to cancel our cruise to, or trip to Hawaii and cruise from Hawaii to Canada. Very sad. But hopefully, and it was on Disney, so hopefully Disney will do it again so that we can rebook it. But as long as everyone's safe, that's all that matters. I love all the gold accents, even in like this. It's so small. I don't even know if you can tell that there's teeny tiny little specks of gold in here. Yeah, very cool. Oops. And then the birdie. None in the butterflies, but that's okay. Oh, I like this one. That is France and Spain and Italy. Next we have some chipboard stickers, which usually, or always, I shouldn't even say usually, goes great with the ephemera as well as the papers. A lot of times the images will be very similar or the same. So in here we have stamps and butterflies, and definitely a lot of travel. There's the larkspur flowers again, Eiffel Tower, and they have gold embellishments or gold foil on it as well. Very cool. We have some gold alphabet stickers. That is perfect. I love that. A super cool stencil. Not sure who this stencil is by, but it is very cute, and I will be using the inside paper as well, probably for journal background. I'd say a card background, but if you know me, you know I make cards, but I'm horrible at sending them. But look at that, how pretty is that? I'll have to keep that. And then the beautiful papers. So the papers, these ones are from Prima Marketing. They have the same gold embellishments, or gold foiling, however you want to say it, and they always look amazing. I really like this color scheme. I thought at first that it was pink and black, and I was super excited, but now that I'm looking at the pink and blue together, I think it's like stunning. I don't know. They are usually double-sided. Sometimes we get duplicates, but not always. I love this one. So it's got the maps in the background and then floral on top. These look like the same postcard. So luckily there's two of this one, which makes me very happy because I like that one. Some more maps. Some gorgeous, yeah, stuff. Another one. Look at that. Got at least 2 duplicates this month. I really like this because then you can cut out and use different elements in your project page, project card, whatever you want to make. This actually matches this one. Makes me look like I don't know what I'm talking about when I say there's not always duplicates. But yeah, super excited. I tend to try to keep them because I really like them, so it makes it hard when there's only one, and then especially if I like both sides. It makes it hard if I want to use this side, especially when this one has all the little gold on it. So super excited to have that. This one is slightly different. It's cool to get those as well, to get them slightly different. So I will go ahead and make another page for you. Oh, let me show you the book. I still haven't done the cover, but this is the book that I do all my creative scrapbook pages in. Well, most. I think I started it in November. Anything I made before then's other places, but I kind of like having them all together, especially so I could show you guys. So here's the first couple projects. They all have spots to put tags if I want. So this one has a cool little tag, and it's double-sided. Okay, let me take a step back. This one was its own kit, this one was its own kit. And then when I got to this one, I started making more than just one side. So this kit is both sides. This kit is both sides. I've been trying to do both sides and a tag, but it doesn't always work out. This is actually my favorite. And then they look so different, but they're the same kit. And then this gorgeous one has 2 tags, I believe. Oops. Yeah. So there's the front, there's the back, and then it's got 2 tags. And then we are going to start on a brand new one. And yes, this is my Disney passporter when I didn't live in Florida. Well, before I moved to Texas. Long time ago, 2011. We used to travel to Disney every year. So we would get this passporter that would help us plan, have all the, keep track of all of our days, have rides, information, everything in it. And then we moved to Florida and we didn't need it anymore, but I couldn't bring myself to throw it away because this binder is super cool. And it's a lot of memories. And we don't live in Florida anymore, we live in Texas, but I still couldn't bring myself to throw it away, so I'm repurposing it for my creative scrapbook. So without further ado, let's create, and definitely make sure you subscribe Thanks for watching.